I'm looking for a 3-car garage. I don't think she heard you.
I did.
Okay.
It is smaller. It's just over 1,700, or just over 1,600 square feet.
So am I mistaken? Are there two doors to go out into the garage? Here?
Yes.
Is
And
it-
the other one.
Is that from the primary?
No,
From the
it goes to the backyard.
into the garage? There's another door that I saw going.
In the backyard because it sticks out from the house.
Oh.
That's why it's really good for like his situation where he has the working dog.
Right. I'm sorry. I just have to look at this again. I just have to look. So. Okay. Oh. Okay. I like that. I like that.
NMSU faculty, police officer.
So this is what Tad built. Only the updated version of it.
This was a very popular floor plan at HAKES. With the
You remember?
dining room up front.
It's coming back to me now.
Got all those colors.
Oh, this is it.
Yeah.
This is the house, Robbie.
Yep.
Oh, wow. This is the exact house that Tad built.
How much is this one?
This one is at 365.
Okay, it's coming back to me now. This is the washer and dryer.
Oh, yeah, it's a patio, put some grass in the back.
Yeah, this one was artificial turf. That one was
The windows are different. The pantry.
So yeah, 1693 on the square footage.
I don't want to move too fast. Isn't it flipped?
It's all different. It's a different model.
I'm just looking. Okay. How long was he here?
He was maybe in this house 3 months.
I'm just asking.
Yeah, no.
It's not. I just want to know, that's all. There are people who want to know.
Oh yeah, no, he was one of the NMSU coaches. And
I like this. I'm just rambling. I like this way better than the house next door.
Oh really?
I don't know why.
See, it's funny because most people like really don't know that one.
What? Okay. Guys, I'll talk to you in a few minutes.